Good morning. Bob Dellay here with Timber Design and Build, and I got a really fun project I've been working on. This is the side that will face inside the shop. It's an 1 3/4 door with a 3/4 inch panel that floats in the frame. The other fun part of this project is the wooden mechanism that I made. And they're made out of wenge, bird's eye maple. We have cherry here, and the spring, so to speak, that keeps the mechanism spring loaded is out of cherry. It's been fun. Enjoyed the challenge, as always.